navigating to Availability Settings. To view availability modes, go to My Account, Settings, Agent Options. Scroll down to Availability Settings. Click Alter Availability Modes. This opens the Availability Modes tool, where you'll see both visible and hidden modes. Creating a new availability mode. Click the Add a New Availability Mode option. Enter a name for the availability mode at the top. Set up your new availability mode using the available configuration options. We'll go over these settings in more detail in the next section. When you're done, click the Save button. You'll now see your new availability mode in the list. Configuring availability settings. To edit a mode, click on the name. You can rename a mode and set whether the agents can take calls in the mode. You can also specify if the mode is a payable mode. Or make it selectable by users in the drop-down. You can also set time restrictions and choose whether the changes apply retroactively. When finished, click Save to apply the changes. For more helpful videos, go to help.readymode.com.